Ignore if you hear a rattle. I'm sorry, guys. There's a car coming. But just a little quick note: if you haven't already, press that subscribe button. It really helps out a lot, and give me a thumbs up, and I really appreciate it. So let's get right back into the video. What's going on, everybody? We are back with another install, and this one I am super excited for. This is a full exhaust, not a full. I meant a catback exhaust. Okay, so it's from the catback. I want to get rid of the muffler. I wanted something bigger and better, and so I went all out, bigger and better. By far, this is the Rice Machine exhaust. I'm just kidding. It's a single exit, so that's a hint. It's probably on the title. I'll probably just like type what it is. By far, this is the best sounding exhaust for WRX or STI. I swear that's ever been made. Or for freaking 2011 all the way up. I'm sure they made it for the older ones. I don't know. It is the Tomei exhaust, and this thing, I'll tell you what, it's one big fart cannon, and I am super excited. Hopefully, near future, we might get flames. We don't know. This aftermarket exhaust is a 3-inch exhaust all the way back. The stock downpipe is a 2.5. So I got really excited, ordered it, and totally forgot. So I had to wait a week and order on Amazon the Grimspeed adapter from the 2.5 to 3-inch like adapter thing, so it'll fit the pipe and everything. So I'm gonna quit talking. We're gonna go ahead and tear this exhaust open. I am super excited. I do have a couple clips of like the muffler delete, not the stock. If you wanna go watch the stock exhaust, go watch another video. Or I'll throw a piece and tag somebody in it. But we're comparing also the nameless exhaust to the Tomei full exhaust or catback exhaust. I've never seen a pipe this big, I don't think. I've never felt an exhaust pipe like this, or piping, like I guess this is the mid pipe. I've never felt anything, so I don't know how light this is, but we'll compare it to the original. So it feels, it's light, but I don't know if this is considered light. I mean, I know it's titanium, so that means something. Okay, this is the pipe going back. Yeah, this one. Take that out. Oh, it's not out of the packaging yet. This thing looks awesome. The burnt boy. Let's open that. And I am JD, and now I am official Japanese. It's got some extreme stick. I got the Tomei logo with the stickers and full Japan installation manual. Thank you very much, Japan. What else we got here? We got this baffle. Try using that. The heck, what a loser. I don't know what that is. I'm assuming this is the hanger, I guess. Smells good. Oh, that was really weird. Look how like shiny. It's not even that. It's not even good lighting either. I'm sorry guys that it's not even good lighting, but dude, if I drop this, I'm gonna pee my pants. This thing, look at the engraving on it is beautiful. Like this thing is a beauty. Look at that tip too. Look at that thing. Oh my, that's so good, dude. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, we're gonna install this. You and the boys come into World War III for a draft. I just like spit it. Whoops. Oh. I am taking apart the bolts over here on the muffler side, just the delete part, because if I can break this loose, I'm gonna have to get the big boy. So I want to get these off, and then from there we'll do the rest. There we go. We got her, I think. Yeah. I'll tell you what. Now, should be able to, oh my gosh, these are rusty. Yeah, that's why they're rusted as hell. Okay, now this should be able, I put some WD in there. Ouch, busted it on there. It should come right out. One ugly ass 2-inch tip. Up for sale now. Okay guys, last but not least, to take off the stock, like, the stock catback, you have to go here where the catback ends and take those off. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, wow, that was looser than I thought it would be. Wow, I don't think this spring like shoots out, does it? I should have put my glasses on for that one. Oh. With another fucking rock in my eye. Should I wear glasses? Yes. I'm tired of. I got like 30 things stuck in my eye. Ah! That hurt. It's sliding back on. Are you kidding me? Right there. Holy shit. Okay, that's on there. Oh, this is the right way in front. Yeah, that's gotta be right. That has to be right. We kind of got it on there partially. So we're just gonna let that sit there like that. I don't think it'll hurt anything. So we're gonna slide back out and now onto the next part. I am definitely sliding on this band. I don't know what you call these bands, but I'm just gonna put this band on and slide it over top of this one and figure out where this is going to sit, because I have to pop this into place. And then we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and install this second mid pipe, which goes right behind the first mid pipe. So we're just getting everything subtly seated, or like everything, you know, loosely seated into place. So when I tighten up everything, it'll be okay. So yeah, let's go into that part now. I think that's right. Who's gonna slide that one? Is it on all the way? I can't tell. I guess. It doesn't look too far. Alright, you can't really see it, but it's the exhaust hanger. Is that mud? I guess so. That's nasty. But yeah, we are now trying to get the exhaust hanger on. We're gonna squirt a little WD-40 on my finger. We're gonna lube her up. So she said we're gonna lube it around there and stick it in the pipe to blend that thing. Woo! There we go. All right, it is on. The first part, and then to the second part, which goes right here and comes right around. I'm trying not to hit anything. I think I did hit that little part there. That's a little dangerous, but you can see right up. Ouch, is that a rock? See right up in here, that's the hard part that I was trying to get on, and now it's on. So we're good there, and now we're gonna go ahead and get the springs on and the clamps. So okay, to the next one. I want to go by the edge. There. Oh boy, that's actually a little too little. There we go. Oh my god. Woo! Boys, that is hard. don't know how tight these things are supposed to get. Don't want to bend the pipe either. But this thing actually comes apart, I believe. Like, I hope this doesn't like, pop at my face. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and slide that around like this. Right, I guess. Right a little bit. Okay, it does. Wow, it actually does hold itself. Have it like that. That'd be funny. That, yeah, right there, like that. I believe that's perfect. Oh boy. Holy crap, I got it. Oh. Fun times, fun times. Look at this. I don't think they were thinking when they made this. I'm sure they were, because they're Japan makes the best stuff. This one, look at this one all the way up here. Little room, and that is a hard spring. I mean, that thing, guys, that thing ain't bending at all. Like, this one has a little bit more. This one, well, I guess a little bit. Yep, I got it. There's a little scratch on there. On the diffuser, not the actual pipe, will die. So after, you know, trying to get this right, it looks dang centered right there to me. And you know, it's pointed out to the angle. That's cool, I like that. Little clamp, this thing right here. I mean, that's solid. I don't think I can bend this stuff. So, I mean, it's clamped all the way up here, you know, to the max, as you can see. I mean, as you can see, I tightened it pretty much all the way. So now we're going to, the only thing I'm a little skeptical about actually is this part right here. It is very, very close, as you can tell, to the, I think it's already got a little nick on it from it. You can't tell. This is the pipe right here and the diff. I think it's after I tighten that up, it'll be a lot better, but it's very, very, very close to that. I don't like that. So we'll see what we can do here. I'm super excited to hear it. I can't wait. So we'll go ahead and finish that, and then we're gonna check for exhaust leaks and then put the diffuser back on, and then we'll go from there. That is so much louder. That is so much louder, guys. Let me explain. That is, oh my God. All right, compared to my muffler delay I had, obviously it's gonna be louder, but that is, I didn't expect it to be that much louder. That is ridiculous, guys. But I'm gonna check for some exhaust leaks now. That I am excited. When I heard that startup, that was wild. That was wild, guys. y'all enjoyed the little cinematic I had a blast filming that. I actually filmed it here, you know, just a little bit. I cleaned up the car a little bit, and you know, I got that exhaust squeaky clean. Oh my goodness. She sounds so good. She sounds so good. She sounds like... You don't hear that. You do not hear that. Alright guys, ignore the janky exhaust, even though I just hyped it all up. And it is a great exhaust, I just gotta fix it. I don't know what I did wrong. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you have not already, please press that red button, that little tiny button in the bottom. That'll help me out a lot, and give this video a thumbs up, or even throw a comment out if you want to see what's next for this car. Because I have ideas, but I don't know for sure. I want to hear from you all what you all think I should get. So yeah, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.